429 LS3 in it,
Awesome.
650 horse.
All right, what's up, Burros? I just got a message from the guys from Run to Land's End, and they got into Cabo last night, and we're gonna go check out their trucks. They got 3 tube chassis Prerunners. So what's your name?
I'm Chris.
Chris? Nice to meet you, Chris.
Nice
Simon.
To meet you. Simon, nice to meet you.
We're gonna do a little Burro Builds edition on this truck that just made it to Cabo San Lucas. So how long have you had this thing?
About 5 years now, I think.
5 years, and you build it like this, or
I bought it built.
You bought it built?
Yeah, Baja shop originally built it, and then I think it was finished at Arcieros.
It's killer, man. It's a perfect Baja truck. It's all business.
Yeah.
There's no frills on this thing, and you can tell it gets down. It's super exciting to me because it's smaller. It's a little bit more nimble.
Fits the roads pretty good, yeah.
For down south, it gets real tight, right?
Yeah.
So, and is there a tube chassis under there?
It's all tube chassis.
It's all tube. Awesome.
I got the same truck in a 97.
Yeah, it's got a 429 LS3 in it,
Awesome.
650 horse.
And turbo 400 or a
4L80.
4L80. So you can cruise on the highway too.
Yeah.
And it's king shocks all around.
Yeah.
Yep. And you guys have driven down here now 5, 6?
I don't even know, 5 or 6 times in this one, yeah.
And the Run to Land's End is in Cabo San Lucas. So if you see these trucks, you know that they're being used, and they're making it here. No problems on this run at all?
No, I had a fan relay go out, that was it.
That's easy. Yeah, this thing's beautiful. Got the racepack dash, everything's pretty simple. Just business in here. Got AC in there? Yep.
Yep.
Vintage air?
Yeah.
Yep. Got the Sparkos 3-seater. Got some spares back there. What do you got?
It's got an alternator, starter, power steering pump, and a control valve mounted back there.
All the good stuff. Yeah, this would be a hard group to keep up with. You guys have done it a bunch of times, and you got very, very capable trucks. So
Yeah, they get along pretty good.
So what do you do with it up when it's up there? You drive it around up there in the States, or
No, mainly
just keep it for these runs, right?
Yeah, we do a lot of playing in northern Baja too.
Tubeworks rear end there.
Yeah.
How long are the links on it, you know? The trailing arms?
I think they're a little over 50 inches. They're shorter than some.
No, yeah. It's awesome, man. I love these little or smaller trucks. It's just, for down here, it's so much fun. She's got a shower in this thing. Come on. So you guys do some surfing up there, or
No,
camping?
More drinking than anything.
The wife? Who's going for the shower here?
About anybody that gets stuck in a silt bed, need to wash off.
Think I need swim.
And that's through your battery. Plug it in there.
Yeah.
Yep. Then I've got to get under there, jump it. What's this mount for the drive shaft?
What's that?
The mount you got going for the drive shaft.
Yeah, it's
Where'd
just
you get that?
It's just set up so you can just slide it in and pop it
Really
out.
trick, right?
Yeah.
Really nice.
Keeps the U-joints contained. You don't have to tie them and everything.
Yeah, we got like duct tape and hose clamps around the house. That's awesome.